So, this wasn't planned. My son just ran upstairs now. He was asking me if I plan buying anything on Good Friday, and I said no. And he was like, what? He knows what to do right away, and he ran upstairs. I can hear him struggling with his piggy bank. So I want to try capture him when he's coming. Whoa! Oh my god!
I've been saving up.
You've been saving up for mommy. Oh, you need to clean here. You just finished it and do clean up.
Oh my god.
You want to give mommy too?
I did not take all of it.
Wow. So my babies have money.
Do not implement it in the phone.
Okay. Guys, I'm so blessed. I have the best kids.
Wait, how much? How much? Is it
We need to count it. It's a lot of money.
Oh my god, I've been saving up. It felt heavy in my hand.
Oh, you've been saving for how long? Wow.
Just tell me more money. I want to just more money. I want to buy the baby like that. Then
Okay, for them to money.
I want to take this golden and this golden. So how many coins do we need to have like $100?
Oh, we're gonna need so much of this.
Let's count right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Temidayo Ojieyan. So if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. This channel is all about faith, food, fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. You guys see I'm flaunting my new hair. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. And one of my friends did this. I'm gonna leave our Instagram handle in the description box. She's in Dartmouth, guys. So if you need to get your hair weaved, she's so good. She does my daughter's hair as well, and the hair usually stays like 6 weeks. Like, can you beat that? Like 6 weeks, even if not more than that. Good morning, guys. I'm about to make breakfast for the kids this morning. So I'm making breakfast for the kids. I'm making pancakes for them. Just a pinch of salt. This is nutmeg. It's like half tablespoon. And melted butter. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling. So I'm going to be using this, my black Deca grill. Black plus Deca. Put it on low heat. So the only thing missing in the pancake is egg. And that's because I don't have eggs at home. And I also stopped using baking powder in my pancakes because I didn't see any usefulness for that. And also it tends to make the pancake have holes. So if anybody has noticed this also when making pancakes, you can leave your comments.
It's hot, so it's gonna melt the ball. Oh my gosh.
Is that okay? I have sausage. Do you want sausage? Hey Jay, come and eat. Do you want butter? Alright. You want this?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, just move it, bit. Because you guys broke the tip. So, is that okay?
Babe, what do you mean we broke the tip?
The tip, I think, the tip of the. So that's fine. Okay, each time is fast gone. If I start making another one, it's going to take much time.
Everyone, bye. Peace out. No. Peace. Bye, everybody. about that. And don't forget to give the thumbs up. And if you like it, or if you don't like it, just give it a thumbs up.
So I'm here to make my hair. I'm so excited about that. At least I don't have to be brushing hair every day. And now COVID is increasing, so I think there's more restrictions again. God help us. So I'm gonna be putting on my mask as I'm going into the building. So let's go in. I need to ring the buzzer so I can be buzzed in. Going up. Oh yeah, going up. I can breathe. So we're halfway done, and I'm loving this air. I can't wait. It's so pretty, and I think I love the color. This is expression color 30. I love the length as well. Run, 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 run. Up and down. Hey guys, so I'm done with my hair. So pretty, right? Okay, so let me just drop this here. So I just finished my hair. What do you guys think? This is so lovely. I love it. I love it. And so if you guys don't know, I don't really like making my hair. Like, I'm so lazy when it comes to sitting down too long. Like, I like activities than sitting down to make hair. So I'm always looking for the shortest cut when it comes to hair. So that's why I cut my hair almost every year. Like, so I'm on Antabeka or low cut. So I decided to come and shop at one of my favorite grocery stores. I'm gonna show you now. So it's called Wholesale Club. I love it because this is where I get my frozen bell peppers. So if you know, bell peppers are kind of expensive here. So for you to make enough stew, you might be spending so much on buying fresh bell peppers. Sorry. I have to stop a while because of the sound, the noise. Okay, heading inside. Guys, I didn't realize I wasn't filming throughout while I was in Wholesale Club. But this is where the frozen bell pepper is, both the red and the green. So I headed to the frozen food store where I got our chicken and some lamb as well. Guys, I am hungry. Oh my god. As in, very, very hungry. So since morning that I've left home, I'm just going back home. I'm not even able to pick the kids.
Bracelet.
Everywhere?
This bracelet.
Are you going with your dad? Or you want to go with mommy?
Mommy.
Okay. So I came late to I couldn't meet up to pick the kids, and I had to call my husband's friend to come pick them. Though Obi actually came as well, but they chose to go with me. See him going.
Bye,
Obi is walking. Okay, bye. Let's say hello to your friends. Okay, guys, come.
Yeah, come here.
No, mommy is very, very hungry. I'm very, very hungry. I can't eat there. Hi, Annabelle. How are you? Where's daddy? Hello. So mommy. Hello, say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Where's Amanda?
Something happened.
Wait.
What is that?
But yes, I'm gonna close the door because you're going to school tomorrow and mommy needs to cook. I know you're not going to school tomorrow. Okay, let's go home, guys.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. What?
You can't carry anything.
What did you wait?
Wait, what?
What did you what? What did you what? What's that music? That's good.
Oh God.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Guys, I'm just waking up. This is 8:06. Like I was so tired. You knew I said I was hungry, so I was very, very hungry, and I was having headache at the same time. So I just managed to eat. Then I went to have a short nap, but it was long. But I feel so good now. I just sorted the freezer, the things I bought, and I still have some stuff on the floor in the bag. But I'm doing a large cooking tomorrow, so I'm going to start prepping. So I might have to cook till like midnight and continue in the early hours of tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I do really appreciate you sticking by me. Until next time when I drop another nice and exciting video. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.
Trust in our wings.